When I look into nature through my camera, I let my heart connect with the holiness and merge deeply into this energy. I sink deep into connection between mind, heart, and soul. It's a wonderful challenge to look beyond the elements in your scene and to project your narrative, to be able to arouse feelings between your work and the audience. When I am reflecting, observing, and absorbing, my creativity is awake.